Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be doing a protective style using these two items, the Shea Moisture Extra Moisture Detangler and the Texture ID Styling Cream. I started off with freshly washed hair. It's already been detangled and sectioned. We'll take down one section at a time, making them into smaller sections. I did not use a comb to make them into the smaller sections until I got to the front where I wanted it to look more detailed. Here I'm just smoothing in a detangler from Shea Moisture, just working it all the way in, sectioning off each piece, and then I'll go behind that and add in the Texture ID just to seal in all that moisture and twist it all the way down until you get to the very last portion, which you'll see I twist that around my finger and make it a little curl. Here you see me twisting the hair around my finger to make that curl. I don't like to twist it all the way to the bottom just because it can get a little more tangled that way. Once I finish a few twists, I like to use a clip just to elongate the twist while they're drying. It just gives it a smoother finish and my hair doesn't look so shrunken. And the process continues. Now I'm on the last portion. This is where I start to get a little more detail with the parts just to make it look more finished, just in case you want to make a side part or make your twist go to the back. I will be styling my twist because I will be wearing this style for 2 to 3 weeks depending on how frizzy they look. Each day I'll moisten them and put a little oil on them just to preserve them and keep my hair from drying. You want to be sure not to keep your twist in too long because you'll be losing moisture, and also your hair will get more and more tangled as the days and weeks go along. This entire process probably took me between an hour and a half and an hour and 45 minutes, which can be a little time consuming, but this style, like I said, I'll wear for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks tops before taking them down and giving my hair a break and restyling it. So it's definitely worth it. And here is the finished look. You can wear it up in a bun, wear side part, put it in bobby pins, and just wear the top back. It's endless the styles you can use. I'll be playing with those over the weeks to come. But let me know if you guys like this style, if you would be willing to try this style, and other videos that you'll like to see from me. I hope you guys stay tuned for more. Drop your comments and your suggestions below. And always, thanks for watching.